Hi there, I'm Dale with Residential Comfort Pros. We do HVAC and plumbing, and on this channel we give homeowners helpful tips for their HVAC and plumbing to maintain a longer life out of their plumbing system and their HVAC. Today I wanted to talk to you about this product right here and why you shouldn't be using it. So you're going to see this at every Lowe's, Home Depot, some Walmart, Ace Hardware, and they advertise that it's safe and it unclogs drains. Well, the truth is behind it is it's actually bad for your plumbing system. A lot of the plumbing nowadays in the houses are made out of PVC piping and some ABS piping that we run across every now and then. So why this is bad, when you pour down the sink, what happens is it creates a chemical reaction and it heats up. So when it heats up, it can thin the walls of that PVC pipe. It can also glue or adhesive that have those pipes connected. It can eat that away, and which will cause leaks later on down the road, or holes in there because it's, it eats that inside that wall. It can make it very brittle. So as most plumbers, professional plumbers out there, they're not going to recommend this product. So the best solution for you guys is, if you're having slow drains or a backup, is to call a professional company out, have them look at it. If they're a legit company, they're going to give you solutions and not just a temporary fix like the Drain-X. So like when you call us, what we're going to do is we're going to come in, we're going to scope it and see what's causing the clog, and we're going to come to you and give you a couple options on the best way to fix this clog or the slow drainage to so you don't have to deal with this on a regular basis. We have people that said that their septic lines cleared out every year. Well, those companies that are coming out there are not fixing that problem, or it could be the homeowners denying the issues that's there and they just don't want to spend the money. So when you call us, we're going to come out, we're going to scope it, we're going to find a solution, and we're going to either snake it, hydrojet it, replace a section of the pipe, whatever's needed and that what your guys are wanting to do. Then we're going to, once we get done with the job, if it's snaking or hydrojetting, we're going to run the camera inspection through there again and make sure that everything is clean and it's unclogged and that the problem was fixed. Our intentions is to fix it right the first time, and we don't have to keep on calling us back. So hopefully this is give you some insight on why not to use this. I know you think you might be going to be saving some money, but later on down the road, it could cost you more money. And like I said, it's only a temporary fix. So if it was my house, if it was for my family members, I would want them to have a permanent solution and not just a temporary fix. So hopefully this video is helpful and that you guys be careful on these products.